Here we are on 1304. Here we go. It's dark in here. Okay, so you have to put the key in there to turn on the light. So when you first come in, it's a restroom. It looks really clean. We do have shower soaps and stuff there. So it's just me, so I got an insider cabin. So immediately to the left, when you come in, it's a little safe here. And 3 life jackets. I'm by myself, so hopefully we don't need it, but if we do, I have 3. Over here is a closet. And it's another closet on this side. And I think this is a fridge. Yeah, it's a fridge. It feels very new. We have a phone, pencil, and a notepad just in case. I guess I need to write my steward or something. It's 2 glasses. Gave us a directory. Some other activities. Okay, 2 masks. The shelter information. We have 2 outlets right here. This is like a foreign outlet. And I ordered a 12-pack of water. The water was $4.95, but they charge an 18% delivery fee. So that came to like $5 and something. They put another directory on here on the bed for me to scan. And I did ask for a king size, so usually I guess this comes twin, and you can tell them make you do a king size. I think this is storage. Okay, so this little bin here is storage. There's another one on the other side. Okay, so that's storage too. And I don't know what this is, but it feels like a mat or something. I don't know. The bed feels kind of okay. But yeah, let me give you a scan. It feels like I'm just like in my room. You can put stuff underneath the bed too. And also they have some lights on the bed, and when you touch this, they go off. So that's really neat too. Okay, so this is the thermostat. It's on as cold as it can go. So let me give you a quick aerial view of the room. And again, this water isn't free. I had to pay $4.95 for it.